Sizothatha umasipala thina siyawakhipha masela zokhala. Sizothatha umasipala thina siyawakhipha masela zokhala.
Amandla. Good morning, comrades. This is Comrade Philasani Mkhize, the youngest chief whip in Parliament of the opposition party, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Today is day 2 of our strategic planning. Just to give you a little bit recap from yesterday. Yesterday we had our first caucus under my leadership, where we convened, we addressed all the problems that we have as the caucus. We did not finish. Today we are continuing, we are coming up with resolutions on a way forward so that we are ready to hit the ground, so that we are ready to hit the elections. We are guiding on unity and how to work together as a caucus. After this program that we're busy with now, we are going for our team building activities. This is to help us, as we have 58 different members with different ideas and all of that. This is to help us to be able to work as a team, to be united, to bring some unity into our caucus. We'll be engaging on team building activities. Then after that, we will have a gala dinner of our members, where we will award members for their hard work that they're doing in Parliament, our impeachment committee members, our ad hoc committee members, and all the members, because we all serve in different committees. After the gala dinner, we'll then now regroup again to continue the work of the strategic planning. We will now divide into commissions of the disciplinary hearing, our frameworks that we are going to develop, so that we have a way forward, so that we have resolutions to all the problems that we have identified within our caucus.
Igama lami nginguThembinkosi Mtshadu, Member of Parliament, National Assembly. Silapha ke kule ndawo member of Parliament, sonke njengoba siba 58. Injongo yethu kuba lapha ukuthi sizohlangana ndawonye, silungise indaba yokuthi sisebenza kanjani uma sibuyele emuva. Sibone ukuthi kubaleka kakhulu ukuthi uma sibuyele emuva sibe sihlangene njengoba sizoba ne-team building, ukuthi siqinisekise ukuthi yonke into esiyenza siyenze simqondo munye. Ikubaleke kakhulu ke mfowethu ukuthi njengoba silana, njengoba sisuka kwindawo ezihlukahlukene, siqhamuke kuma-culture ahlukahlukene, siqhamuke ngey'nkolweni ey'hlukahlukene, sibe noku-understandana. Uchief uke washo la wathi kufanele kube nento eyodwa esihlanganisayo. Into esihlanganisayo ilogo yomkhonto. Njengalokhu-ke silapha mfowethu sizoba busy nama-policies. Izolo sibonile ukuthi asiqale ngokuthi sihlambulukelane, siqhubeke kahle siye phambili, sibe sesixoxe indaba yokuthi i-unity ibalulekile kuthina eParliament as members, ukuze si-official opposition eParliament, ukuze masiphuma sesiyolwa nezitha zethu siphume simunye, kungekho omunye ozocula enye ingoma.
Sanibonani, igama lami uComrade uHazel Mpele, ngiyi-Member of Parliament deployed by EMKP. Kule weekend sila inhloso yalesi straight plan akusona nje straight plan kuphela, but it's a program that is going to assist us ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi at the end of the day, whatever challenges that we are having, or maybe even within the caucus itself, sikwazi ukuthi eneke sizishape into ilokhunjana isishapele ukuthi zikwazi ukusebenza, and zikwazi ukuthi si-approacha kanjani ilokhunjana iParliament, and nama-policies nama-laws ekuwukuthi and ayasicindezela eParliament. Siyakwazi masilana ukuthi and sikhulume kahle, sibe united, because we can only do that if i-caucus it is united. And then we support also the leadership, which is people, i-party leader, namanye ke ama-leaders wethu elokhunjana enhlangano, ngoba at the end of the day i-caucus can only be ibe khona through i-guidance yenhlangano, and konke lokho kwenziwa yini, kwenziwa ama-leaders wethu aholwa uPresident Zuma. So ukuba lana nje kubaleka kakhulu ngalezo zinto, nanokuthi ke futhi emphakathini kunezinto eziningi umphakathi owazi raise mzukwane sasi sikhankasela uhulumeni national lokhuzana uhulumeni wezwe, ithi ngisho kanjalo. Now ba raise izinto eziningi, especially indaba yomhlaba kwakuyiyona futhi eyayiphamba phambili. futhi ne-issue ye-unemployment kwakuyona futhi ehamba phambili nane-issue ye-poverty it was there kuningi nosomabhizinisi abancane kanjalo bedinga so silwela lezo zinto thina eParliament so now ukukwenza lokho kufuneka sikwenze nathi ukuthi we've got our own policies that are talking to that kusho ukuthi thina when we are a caucus we must go ngeline yani yenhlangano we understand nama-policies wethu akwenhlangano sine-people's mandate esinayo ngoba phela umkhonto wakwayo is based on abantu wavuka kubantu ukuthi ayibo ngeke umkhonto awume abantu abasho that is why we've got a people's mandate it's a mandate from the masses so that is why in this campaign abantu babeyizela because it's something that they wanted so thina-ke we are the carriers of their challenges then senze sure ukuthi eParliament ama-policies aphasiswa nemithetho echibiyelwayo ihamba according to the needs of the community. I also understand ukuthi we are not yet in power but we are shaping ourselves so that even when we are in power sazi ukuthi okay right what is it that we have to do how are we going to implement we are starting now to be in power actually so that when the real time comes siyazi ukuthi enesenze njani but konke nje lokho manje siyakujabulela lokho Stratford also ama-policies ekufanele ukuthi siwaphasise la esizowa-shape awayo ilokhu njana inhlangano that means i-party within the Parliament now that means sesizokwazi ukuthi eneke how do we do issues zani maybe zoma consultation nomphakathi nama-programs that are coming directly from the caucus and nokunye okuningi but we are all about the people ney'dingo zabo.
Sanibonani igama lami nguThulani Shongwe enimdeploye eParliament by Umkhonto Wesizwe. Namhlanje it's day 2 where we are having a strat plan. Yesterday we had day 1 where sibiza ngelanga lokuthi siyabhodlelana. La ekhaya ke siyahlangana sibhodlelana singama comrades members of Parliament la sinyathelane khona la icomrades sibona ukuthi lenze khona wrong policy wise structure wise party wise as well. So we had a beautiful day yesterday where matters were coughed out, and then we took resolutions of Lungisa. Today we're starting with team building, which we need. Because for one, to be united, we need to team building. Focus, serious. We need to understand the strengths of Munye, but we'll be going for day 3 where we are going to talk to our policies A2 and look at izinto esizithunywa abantu from emakhaya emele discuss eParliament emele attend attack futhi since nibona iGNU kanjena iIDEC nayo ivelile obalo ukuthi kwakuyenye yezinto esetshenziswayo ukushaya ama-politicians ukushaya abantu abangafuni ukuthi i-country ingayiphambili. For example, when the President Jacob Zuma was the president, most of the ministers there beba propela phambili, most of the officials beba propela phambili ekuthenini abantu bethu abathola amanzi, RDP houses, imisebenzi. There was emphasis on that, but the IDEC was utilized ukushaya labo bantu labo so that progress eSouth Africa ingabi khona specifically ebantwini abamnyama but ibe khona ebalungwini. So we're going to align ngalelo point leyo today, later and tomorrow hlanganisa ama policies. Then the party will be joining us isinikeza umhlahlandlela as well. We are looking forward for our local government elections where we'll be discussing as members of Parliament and the deployment of Soinikezwa. And as we are going, now differently, Umkhonto Wesizwe is not going down to campaign. We are going down to get inkinga again zabantu ababhekane nazo ukuthi yini emele siyoyilungisa. As we campaign, we take stock of inkinga emele siyilungisa because we know we are going to take omasipala bonke. So ngoncedo lakho nokuvota nawe sowudinekile sowubonile. Vote noma ungayishiyanga inhlangano yakho votela Umkhonto Wesizwe so that wazi ukuthi ekugcineni uzolungisa wena uhlale nenhlangano yakho bese mase ku right ke so uyobona ukuthi angijoyine lo mkhonto ngoba uyalungisa. Kwaza Umkhonto Wesizwe kwaza.